Spoke to my work coach at the job centre, and they gave me a contact for the employment hub, and I got a response pretty much straight away, which is quite nice. They helped me with fuel and bus passes until my eventual first paycheck, interview prep and applications for roles.
I didn't expect it to be so informative.
Getting skills we never had, walking away today with this 2 qualifications.
I definitely recommend to use the Employment Hub. In a few weeks, I was already sitting down with interviews with people who were quite excited to meet me.